welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to do one of my favorite keto food, and this is cheesy zucchini boats. It's going to be delicious. This is the favorite way I do mine and will love it. It's super quick and easy. Anybody can do it.
If you're new to this channel, we do videos just like this one. This channel is all about having you on keto on long term, and my wife here is a ketogenic lifestyle coach.
Yes, so if you need help with your keto journey, definitely head to our website. The link is here, and book in a free of charge case estimation and sign up for my coachings.
And we do keto coaching and one-on-one coaching, so I'm sure that some way we can help you. Just check it out. But let's get to the recipe.
Exactly. Very first step, preheat the oven on 200 degrees. And you need the following. You need about 3 zucchinis, just like these ones. Then you need mushrooms. I am using 250 gram. Then I will use 25 gram of grass-fed butter. This is about 300 gram of bacon. I will use 2 mozzarella, 250 gram, and some sour cream on the topping. And you just chop everything up and we will prepare the zucchinis. Alright, so you need to wash your zucchinis and then you just cut them into half, just like this. And then I like to use this one, I don't even know how you call this, to take the inside of the zucchini, just like this one.
Isn't it like an ice cream scoop?
Yeah, I think so, but I'm not sure. Yes, exactly, it's a random thing we have at home. And or you can use a normal spoon, it works well. And then you just take out the inside like this. And don't throw this away, we will use this one. And then you can carve out the zucchinis as much as possible so you have space for the filling. Okay, good. So this is pretty good. This is what you want on all of them. So now when you are done with carving out your zucchinis, you can place them into a tray just like this one and use a baking. Okay, good. And now we will throw everything from here into a frying pan and just pre-cook a little bit the zucchini, the bacon, and the mushroom together. Set it on low heat and just let it to cook together a little bit. Okay, so now you see that it's shrinking and nicely cooking together in the pan. And at this point you can add your spices. I usually add some salt, Celtic sea salt. And I usually add some garlic powder. You can add some paprika. You can add some pepper, like this. If you are into a bit of Italian taste, you can add some basil. Anything that you like. Okay, so I put it in a little higher temperature on the end, and this is what you get, and it's pretty good. So now we will fill this into the zucchinis. And as you can see, there is no waste. We used everything of the zucchinis, and it's literally my favorite food. Like, I can eat this the whole week. And of course, don't forget the juice with all the spices and the bacon. Okay, now you can top it off with mozzarella or your favorite cheese, as much as you want, and melt it together. And now you put it into the oven on 200 degrees, and I will set it for 20-25 minutes, and then you're good to go.
We hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up.
And comment below if there is anything else you want us to make, and enjoy this recipe. This is our favorite.
See you guys in our next videos.
Bye bye!